Hi friends, as you know we are doing dream places series and this is one of my favorite place. It's Windmill and when we visit to Amsterdam or Dutch places, so we see these old windmills over there. So today you are going to learn how to make this beautiful scene having a windmill. Let's get started. For this activity we need white A4 sheet of thick paper, we need pencil, we need colored markers, we need scale, we need poster paints and paint brushes, and you can use crayons. Let's get started. Friends, first of all we are going to draw the horizon line. As I have told you, horizon line is a line that divides your page or image. So a little bit in the middle I have drawn one straight line across the page. Next we are going to draw the windmill. So I am going to draw the structure of windmill. I'm going to draw a one curve line. I'm going to draw a circle here and see, I'm going to draw one it's not a diagonal line on one side and one here. So these are the blades of the windmill. Right now I am just sketching the outline of my image or my drawing. Then I'm going to knead it. As you know, Amsterdam is famous for its tulip gardens. So I'm going to draw the down part. I'm going to draw the tulip garden. So I'm just basically draw the lines and we will use different colors to show the tulip garden. Friends, here you can see the basic structure or drawing of this artwork. Now I'm going to use different colored marker to make the outline. I will use brown color for this windmill. I will use scale to make the straight lines. So we are going to basically tracing. After completing our tracing, we are going to erase all the pencil work, extra pencil work, you can say that. I will use poster paints. Okay, first of all, we are going to use paints on the background. So we are going to make the sky and the clouds. So I will use white paint and light blue paint for the sky. We will use light brown for this structure building. Here I will use some yellow paint. Friends, our first painting coat is completed. Now we are going to wait and let it dry, and then we are going to give details. Friends, I'm using some crayons to give a little bit more real effect and give the shading. Brown color I'm using for the windmill structure. And I'm smudge it with my finger, all the paint. I'm using a little bit green color to give the green effect. So I will use some here. Some light green I'm using here. Now our painting is completed. Friends, I hope you like this activity. Please like and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. See you later.